So again, we will solve a system of equations, quadratic, and also a linear equation. We're going to try to see if they intersect and have two solutions, one solution, or maybe no solution where they don't intersect. And in this one here, the first graph is like it's a parabola. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to factor this parabola. So we have y equals, I'm going to factor out the negative first to make this easier. X squared plus 2x minus 3. And this will factor into y equals negative set of brackets x plus 3 x minus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start graphing this, and what I'll do, I'll just plot the x-axis right here. And the y-axis right there. So basically my scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, and continuous. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Now the two zeros here are x equals -3 and 1. So we have a 0 at 1 and -3. Now we know, so my zeros, x equals -3 and 1. The vertex of this parabola would be right in the middle between -3 and 1. The x value at least will be at -1. And if I want to find the y value, then I just go y equals negative, and then I'll just sub in the -1 into the x plus 3, and then -1 minus 1. So that's -2, that's 2, that's -4, multiplied by a -1 outside, makes it +4. So my vertex is at -1 and 4. So basically, my parabola looks a lot like this. Now, the other equation, the y equals -x plus 1, that's the equation of a straight line with the y-intercept at 1. And maybe what I'll do, I'll just put the other line in a different color. So it's at 1. And the slope is -1, so that's -1 over 1. So that goes down 1 over 1 this way, down 1 over 1 that way, and also goes up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. And it's a straight line. So I'm going to graph straight line right there. Maybe I'll just throw green on there so it's more visible. So therefore, I'm just going to write the solution on the other side. And the solution is basically, the solution is where they meet. So they meet at 2 points. The first one, they meet at -2 and 3. So that's the first solution. And the other solution, they meet at 1 and 0. So this is how you solve systems of equations by graphing. When you have a quadratic and a linear equation, so you get a parabola and a straight line, and you just find out where they meet. And this is how you find solutions, again, for systems of equations. Till next time, math is fun. It's like a puzzle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.